congratulations!
Happy birthday to you!
Congratulations!
Happy birthday, dear Ariel! Happy birthday to you! Why'd you go? Go get your lighter! Don't worry about waxing! Don't worry about waxing!
I didn't know. I started like
Don't worry about waxing!
I sucked. What?
We need another match.
I sucked in the air and then blew it out.
You ate the fire?
I ate the fire.
Oh man, that was disappointing.
Wait, get another match. Get another match really fast.
Oh, we gotta sing the happy birthday song again.
She still has to make a wish. She didn't make a wish yet.
I didn't make a wish. I didn't make a wish yet.
You took it from her.